next breaking update, and in fact, this is a video accessed by Republic. A video that has emerged of the opposition MPs throwing files at the chair in the Rajya Sabha. Extremely shameful pictures. You see that MP who climbs onto that table, I think, and that is the moment where he throws what was in his hand. Now, do remember earlier, you've heard that statement that has come in from the Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi, who also makes it very, very clear that such kind of a behavior is extremely unwarranted. And he again insisted that this is not the behavior expected of any parliamentarian. The opposition MP was seen throwing the rule book. The government has slammed the opposition MPs for creating ruckus in the Rajya Sabha and for stalling the proceedings. The Union Minister Prahlad Joshi said that it was an MP who threw rule book at the chair multiple times. Look at that video. That video is up on your screens. This is a Congress MP. We are given to understand there is nationwide anger and shock over these images that we have seen playing out earlier. This is the Rajya Sabha, the upper house, where you've seen absolutely no work or business being transacted, particularly because you have seen the attitude of the opposition that has been not letting the House function, reported, in fact, repeated disturbances, repeated din is what we have seen. But that is the moment where this Congress MP climbs on a table, and the moment he then throws that rule book at the chair. Gaurav Bhatia, we are looking at this entire video now playing out on Republic. I do not think we have seen something extremely outrageous, disturbing as this video, Gaurav.
Completely agree with you. It disturbs every citizen of the country who is paying for the functioning of the parliament. And this is a hooligan behaving in a manner which is unacceptable. It is sad that rather than deliberating, discussing, and even criticizing, on the bills that are placed for consideration, they are busy indulging in complete anarchism. And in this session, we have also seen how papers have been torn, how things have been thrown at the chair. And what does it reflect? It reflects the scant respect that they have for the chair, for the parliament, which is the temple of our democracy. These people, I'm sure, will be booked, and action should be taken against such people who do not respect our democracy.
But Gaurav, this is cutting across party lines, I think. There has to be a particular way an MP is expected to behave. This is the upper house, Gaurav. You cannot have an MP who does this, who stands on top of a chair multiple times. He's throwing that rule book at the chair. I mean, this is unacceptable, Gaurav.
Absolutely, but I would only say it doesn't matter whether it is the upper house or the lower house. Both the houses make up the parliament. And this sort of behavior is unacceptable. Thus, the chair is also duty-bound to not accept such behavior and take action as per law. The rule book itself prescribes punishment for unruly MPs. We have seen how the chair has been very firm dealing with such people. And I'm sure that voice of the people, which is demanding action against such unruly MPs, will be heard and action will be taken against us.
Gaurav, you are not just, someone who represents the BJP, you're also a lawyer, a noted lawyer. Now, I want you to tell me that when you look at these images, what is the action? What is the action that actually can be brought upon such people? Because again, as I say, these are member of parliaments. These are people that, all of us have entrusted to be sitting there in the parliament, help conduct business, not do what they're doing.
Since you've asked a lawyer, I will tell you, legally speaking, it is completely the jurisdiction of the parliament itself, and the chair has to decide what action to be taken, because the proceedings of the House are sacrosanct, and you cannot expect any interference from any other organ of our democracy. But at the same time, we have seen how MPs, because of their unruly behavior have been suspended in this very session, and that is why we are hoping that such people who bring disrepute to the functioning of the House, to our country, should not be spared.
But Gaurav, I'll go a step further. Why just suspension? Because I do not think this is the first time you're looking at any unruly behavior by the opposition or by any other parliamentarian on the floor of the House. We have seen them, actually creating ruckus again and again. A lot of opposition MPs, I think, are heard in that video cheering this MP who's on the table there. Why just suspend them? Why do we need such MPs?
No, I'm not for a moment saying that, it has to be only a suspension. There is even stricter punishment that can be given to these unruly MPs, but it is the prerogative of the chair. So therefore, it would not be proper for me to talk about the punishment right now, but there are means, methods, and remedies available in the rule book, and the proceedings of the House have to be governed through rule of law, not through this anarchist behavior that we are seeing.
All right, Gaurav, this is extremely shameful, very, very shameful images that have come in. Gaurav Bhatia there of the BJP speaking to us viewers. Take a moment once more to just watch this video very, very closely. This gentleman that you see standing on the table, and that moment where he picks up that rule book and he flings it towards the chair. Do we really need such MPs? What is the action that you would want against such MPs? They are wasting your and my money by being there in the parliament, not letting any business happen. A lot of that feedback, remember, can also go on republicworld.com. We also make way to listen into reactions that have come in. The Parliamentary Affairs Minister earlier has said that this behavior will not be tolerated.
अपोजिशन का जो डिमांड था कि एग्रीकल्चरल विषय के बारे में चर्चा होना चाहिए, और जो नोटिस आया था अपोजिशन के तरफ से और रूलिंग के तरफ से सब मिला के आज हमने माननीय वेंकैया जी नायडू जो हमारा माननीय चेयरमैन साहब है, उन्होंने जो अलो किया था फार्मर्स के ऊपर, किसानों के ऊपर चर्चा के लिए, ये स्वीकार भी हमने किया था। हमारे वक्ता को भी अलो नहीं किया, उन्होंने 3-4 मिनट बोला। बाद में बीजेडी का प्रसन्न आचार्य जी, ऐसे तो प्रसन्न आचार्य जी गवर्नमेंट को ही क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे थे और कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म हम लेने के लिए तैयार है, इसलिए हम सुन रहे थे। लेकिन अचानक बड़ा बड़ा जो बुक्स था, रूल बुक्स, राज्यसभा एट वर्क के सब बुक चेयर के ऊपर फेंका गया, सदस्यों के ऊपर फेंका गया। ऐसा व्यवहार, माननीय धर्मेंद्र जी भी इधर है, तोमर साहब भी इधर है, मैं भी 17 ईयर से इस पार्लियामेंट में हूं, ऐसे व्यवहार हम कभी भी नहीं देखा है। 10 वर्ष मैं पूरा अपोजिशन में था। तो आई स्ट्रांगली कंडेम, मैं कटु से कटु शब्दों में निंदा करता हूं, और कांग्रेस लेट इट क्लैरिफाई इट स्टैंड, उसका स्टैंड जो है वो क्या है वो बताने दो। और ये चाहते हैं, मुझे लगता है ओबीसी का जो बिल आज लोकसभा में पारित हो रहा है वो भी उसके सहन नहीं हो रहा है, और किसान भी आज तक जो कुछ भी है, माननीय तोमर साहब ने बहुत बार एक्सप्लेन किया है, डीबीटी वगैरह से बहुत खुश है। इसलिए धीरे धीरे स्लोली दे आर लूजिंग देयर ग्राउंड, इसलिए मिसबिहेव कर रहे हैं। और पूरा शोर शराबा, हिंसात्मक जो प्रतिभटना होता है, रास्ते सड़क पे होता है, वो रास्ता उन्होंने अपनाया है। ये बहुत तीव्र तरह से मैं निंदा करता हूँ।
सर, इस पर कोई एक्शन भी होगा? इस पे एक्शन
वो तो हम
क्योंकि पहले भी उन्होंने ऐसा किया।
हम चर्चा करके उसका निर्णय करेंगे। चर्चा तो चल रहा है, और चेयरमैन साहब और डिप्टी स्पीकर साहब से भी हम इसके संज्ञान में लाएंगे। निर्णय तो बाद में होगा, लेकिन लोगों को ये पता चलना चाहिए कि ये क्या व्यवहार है। तो ये राउडी जैसा व्यवहार कर रहे हैं, लिटरली दे आर बिहेविंग लाइक राउडीज।
आप सबको मालूम है कि जिस दिन से सदन शुरू हुआ है उस दिन से लगातार भारत सरकार यह कह रही है कि हम सभी विषयों पर विस्तार से चर्चा करने के लिए तैयार हैं, जिसमें कृषि से संबंधित विषय भी शामिल है। आप सबको मालूम है कोविड का विषय था, हमारे संसदीय कार्य मंत्रालय ने और हाउस ने उसे स्वीकार किया, चर्चा की और सरकार की इच्छा थी कि कृषि हमारे जनजीवन से जुड़ा हुआ विषय है और इसलिए उस पर चर्चा होनी चाहिए। और इसलिए आज राज्यसभा में कृषि पर चर्चा स्वीकार की गई और चर्चा शुरू ही हुई थी, लेकिन कांग्रेस, टीएमसी, आप पार्टी, इनका जो अलोकतांत्रिक रवैया रहा उसकी मैं तीव्र शब्दों में भर्त्सना करता हूँ। जहाँ तक कृषि का विषय और कृषि कानून का सवाल है, कृषि के क्षेत्र में प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने 2014 के बाद लगातार जो प्रयत्न किए हैं, कृषि के प्रति जो उनकी प्रतिबद्धता रही है, सरकार की जो योजनाएं संचालित हुई हैं, उनसे लगातार कृषि का क्षेत्र आगे बढ़ रहा है, किसान के घर में समृद्धि आ रही है। यह कांग्रेस के लोगों को पच नहीं रही है। देश भर में किसान भारत सरकार की नीतियों के साथ, कृषि नीतियों के साथ, कृषि कानून में जो सुधार हुए हैं उनके साथ खड़ा हुआ है। आज जब चर्चा के लिए विषय आया, अगर कांग्रेस, टीएमसी, आप पार्टी के मन में किसानों के लिए जरा सा भी स्थान होता, कृषि के बारे में जरा सी भी चिंता होती, तो सारी चीज़ों को छोड़कर वो अपने सुझाव रखते, विचार करते, अगर आवश्यक होता तो सरकार की आलोचना करते।